A lot of you guys have been hitting me up stating you want to go and get your hair locked. I say if you know what you're doing, you can lock your own hair because that's what I did. But I did my research, and if you're going to lock your own hair, do your research. If you are going to a loctician, do your research. So, my favorite question: what products do I use? So, I use water and oil, and my favorite oil is castor oil. Jamaican. Should I lock my hair? If you are over all those styles and stuff like that, and you can get over the whole straight hair, curly hair phase, and you just want to wake up and, I ain't gonna lie, wake up and go, pretty much, like maybe 5 minutes, you can lock your hair. Remember, you can always take it out. Do I get bad hair days? Absolutely. And I think that the bad hair days are really when my hair is frizzy and I don't want to see the frizz. So what I would do is do a slight retwist in the front, or just spray some water on it and some oil, and it'll tie down and it'll lay down. So I try not to retwist my hair that often, but if it's a special occasion, then it's going to get a retwist, slight retwist. But lay low on them edges, okay? Lay low on the edges. I wish I knew at the beginning of my journey. I knew that everybody's gonna have a different process. I didn't know that my edges would take a beating. And I think a lot of it, like I said on my video, a lot of it came from stress. I think I had too much weight on my edges. It created I love my haircut. So it's all good, but make sure you take care of your edges. Don't do all that retwisting on your edges. We need our edges, period. Like if you wear wigs, you need your edges. If you don't wear wigs, natural hair, you need your edges. Do I miss my loose natural hair? And the answer is no. And I can say that 100%, I do not miss it. I can look at pictures and videos. I'm like, oh, I did a bomb twist out, braid out. It's cute, but that's not where I'm at in my life. So my hair reflects my life. That is really true. Like this hair takes you on another type of journey. For me personally, I didn't think it would, but I do not miss. The hair just don't even look good today. Girl. I just put on some hoop earrings and figure out how I wanted them on part here, whatever, in ponytail, and just go about my day. Why did I lock my hair? I think I made a video on this. I locked my hair because I was really over manipulation to my hair. I don't see me cut my locks anytime soon. I feel connected to my brother. Yeah, I just can't see myself no time soon doing a twist out or braid out or a wash and go or flat iron, anything like that. So a lot of people say that lock requires a lot of maintenance, but for me, I'm really laid back and my hair is laid back and it doesn't require a lot of maintenance for me. Keep it moisturized, keep it oil, and it works for me. Down every night, I don't have a problem tying it down every night. It's an easy journey for me. Watch my hair grow from little bitty 2-strand twist to my favorite lock style. I don't even style my hair. I just keep it down, put my hat on. I'm really low key with my hair, legit low key. Do I get hair envy when I see loose natural hair? Absolutely not. Girl, your twist out look good. Girl, your braid out look bomb. But this journey right here is for me. If you are watching this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button and show me some love. Turn your notification bell on so you can know when I post my next video. If you have a video idea, leave it in the comment section. I'll get to it. It's 2020 and I want to make more videos, more content, and stay consistent. Okay?